Hi, my name is Jamie Russo, and this is my Mastery Journey timeline. My first course in my Mastery Journey is the Mastery Personal Development and Leadership course. For this class, I wanted to craft a strategy for attaining mastery using Robert Greene's Mastery as a guide, identify available opportunities for apprenticeship, and learn proven techniques for becoming a master. The second class in my journey will be the art of visual storytelling. For this class, I want to study storytelling methods and implement them in my writing using digital storytelling to engage with my audience and develop visual narration skills, gain a better understanding of stylized narration by analyzing historical examples, and researching the best visual storytelling strategies by reading A Poetics of Composition. My next class in script analysis and criticism, I'll learn how to write scripts by taking the SBIFF script course in lynda.com. I'll identify the differences in scripts between various forms of media by reviewing the screenwriting ebook, and I'll review script writing opportunities within the entertainment industry by researching internships. In character creation and development, my goals are to discover how to effectively create relatable characters, research human behavior and psychology, and analyze critically acclaimed stories for character creation practices, and the tactics I'll use are on the screen. For episodic and serial writing, I'll learn how to write episodes for television by reviewing the Breaking into Television LinkedIn Learning course offered by Harry Marks. I'll gain the ability to write for different genres by creating story outlines for several genres and continuing to develop my skills. And I'll be able to develop and style my own voice by continuously writing pieces and refining my abilities. In film screenwriting, I'll develop a plot for a full-length film, continue learning methods for professional screenwriting, and understand the difference between episodic and film writing by analyzing the difference between writing for TV versus writing for film as a basis for documenting these variations. In writing for games, I'll learn how to develop plots for video games, identify various techniques for writing in a variety of game genres, and combine previously learned techniques for storytelling and character development for game writing. In the class Storytelling and Storyboarding for Animation, I'll learn the process for writing an animation by studying animation stories and developing a guideline for writing them. I'll use my computer animation degree to inform my writing by refreshing my knowledge on previous courses and reviewing old projects. And I'll review top animations for writing insights. In advanced script writing, I'll refine my script writing skills by organizing my accumulated knowledge. I'll develop editing techniques by looking for an internship or employment with a publishing company, and I'll be able to identify weak areas in my writing by contacting a mentor to review my work. In Creative Writing Portfolio 1, I'll use what I've learned to polish this script that I'm working on. I'll receive feedback on my completed script by showing it to peers, professors, and mentors, and I'll figure out the best ways to implement feedback and improve my writing by understanding the value of it and taking it objectively. For Creative Writing Portfolio 2, I'll finalize my script, organize my portfolio by gathering my writing samples and deciding what I should and should not include, and I'll update my resume and portfolio to get ready for employment by using Full Sail's career development resources to revise my resume and search for jobs. In the Business of Creative Writing course, I'll learn marketing techniques, and I'll review marketing foundations presented by Drew Boyd. I'll figure out the best business practices in creative writing by researching successful business structures and learn what practices make them successful. And I'll identify strategies for traditional publishing by contacting published writers for advice. Industry leaders that I want to follow and potentially interview are George Saunders, Stephen King, Alice Walker, Christopher Rice, J.K. Rowling, and Anne Rice. Clubs and organizations that I'd like to join are the Alliance of Independent Authors, the Authors Guild, American Screenwriters Association, and Science Fiction and Fantasy Writers for America. My personal learning network will benefit by adding HarperCollins Publishing, The Writer, Macmillan Publishing, and Penguin Random House. Some of the Full Sail clubs that I'd like to join are Creative Writing, Future Filmmakers of America, Women in Film and Television, and Visionary Voices. Mentor qualities that I look for are skilled writers, experienced publishing, editing, and providing feedback, someone who's a good communicator, someone who has patience and understanding and is willing to have an open dialogue with me, an experienced screenwriter, someone who's able to provide entertainment business insight, and someone who's adept at writing in various genres. My timeline for mastery starts with this course, Mastery, Personal Development, and Leadership. Then I'll go on to the Art of Visual Storytelling, Script Analysis and Criticism, Character Creation and Development, Episodic and Serial Writing, Film Screenwriting, Writing for Games, Storytelling and Storyboarding for Animation, Advanced Script Writing, Creative Writing for Portfolio 1, Creative Writing in Portfolio 2, and the Business of Creative Writing. These are the references I use to research my tactics in developing my skills and accomplishing my goals. Thank you so much.